Good morning, guys. Welcome to another Bones & Co. dog vlog. I'm so excited to bring you on another day with the Bones & Co. tribe. Oh, it's so dark out, and that is because it is currently, let me see here. We're currently looking at about 6, not even 7 in the morning. I'm out here at Summer Moon. I don't know if you can see that. It's a coffee shop here in Austin, and they're known for their moon milk. Ooh. But I'm meeting up with our copywriter Clancy. We try to meet up at least once a week in person to go over, sorry for the fog. Man, I'm just struggling this morning. It's because it's super early. But where's the best light? Where's the best light? There we go. But I usually try to meet up with our copywriter once a week in person. She's extremely brilliant and talented, and I really want to spend as much time with her as I can to help develop her, but also collaborate with her and get ideas from her. So it's just a really good time. Then, though, the reason I'm in this attire, the reason I'm in stretchy pants and a workout shirt, is we're doing something extremely interesting later with the entire team, including the founder of Bones & Co. And I'll take you along with me. Just stay tuned. Just left the coffee shop with Clancy. It was a very productive meeting, and now I am headed to do something super fun with the rest of the team. It'll be myself, it'll be Clancy, who's our copywriter, and Ryan, the founder, plus Ryan's girlfriend Alex, who does our graphic stuff, which is why Bones & Co. is so beautiful, and 1, 2, 3 special guests that I can't wait to show you in just a minute. So we just made it to our destination for the day. You're just gonna have to see what we're gonna do, but our special guest, here's one of them, and this is my dog Finn. Hi Finn. Oops. Good job. And then our three other special guests are about to arrive. But this is the building where we're gonna have our special event today. Super excited. And I'll have everything linked down below as well. Hey, Reed! Okay, so I just arrived, and the team is here, and we are going to do something super fun. Hello, guys.
Hello.
How are you?
We're super pumped.
Yeah?
Because today is Doga Day!
Doga!
Team building activity. We're really excited about it. The dogs are not so excited.
They're so excited. That's awesome. So yeah, I mean, you guys know that we're in startup mode, so it's like go, go, go 24/7, but culture is important and making sure that we're mentally and physically healthy, and Doga, aka dog yoga, is gonna be one way we do that. So we're gonna show you a little bit of that right now. And that is a wrap, huh, Lyra? Did you have fun? You did? We just finished Doga, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching that. How do you guys feel now?
So relaxed.
So
refreshed. It was so
Yes.
much fun. Yeah, we had a blast connecting with our dogs.
Yeah.
Now we're ready for the weekend, right?
Yeah.
We are. What was your favorite pose that we did?
Shavasana.
What is Shavasana for those?
The lying down pose. You gotta
Okay.
get a lie down cuddle with your dog, right?
Yeah,
it's
yeah, it's fun.
amazing.
That was amazing. That was amazing. How do you think the dogs did?
So well, they just relaxed when we got their pressure point on the top of their head. It was pretty crazy.
Yeah.
They didn't do that great.
They did well for puppies. They did well for puppies.
Yeah, they did good. They finally, they did settle down at the end, which is really super cool.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for being part of our mission to feed dogs right so we can love them longer. And don't forget to click subscribe, check all the links below to follow our journey and startup, behind the scenes. That's it. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye. Bye.